Hey guys, what's going on? Terrence here for Orzly and welcome back to another video. Today we'll be taking a look at the Orzly Essential Pack for the iPhone XS Max. So let's dive in. Each pack comes with 3 cases, a screen protector twin pack, and a few choice accessories that we think everyone should have. First and foremost, the screen protector. We've already had an in-depth look at the application tutorial in another video, so I'll link that YouTube video in the top corner and in the description. The key features are, it's ultra slim at less than 0.25mm thick, universally case compatible, so it works with pretty much any case you want to put on there. It's full adhesive, so you won't get those air gaps that can cause diminished touch sensitivity. And with its industry high 9H rating, it's scratch resistant and tempered for your safety. The well-constructed and durable Orzly ProFit screen protector keeps your screen looking as good as new. Next up is the Orzly Slim case. This is the ideal case for those who hate using cases on their phone but still want to keep their phone looking as good as new in everyday use. The best way to describe it would be like an easier to apply and remove skin. It's made from an ultra-thin feather-light silicone material with a profile of only 0.28mm. It's designed to protect the back and sides of your handset from scratches and light grazes. It feels smooth, with a slight coarseness that helps get a more secure grip of your phone when compared to the polished glass and metal of the iPhone XS. There's easy access to all the ports and sensors, and the camera cutout extends out past the camera module to keep it protected when the phone is face up. This is easily the closest you can get to having a case and not having the original shape and feel of your phone not be distorted. Up next is the Luxe case. This elegant snap case features an impressive combination of high quality craftsmanship, materials, and a precision fit. The hard-wearing outer texture increases the grip to give you a more secure handle on your phone, and the soft interior safely guards against scratches, stains, and dirt. The raised lip on the front and the back keep your screen and the camera protected when you lay your phone down, and the card slot in the rear can fit a standard-sized card and is perfect for quick access to a bank or travel card. Over time, the material on each case will patina to uncover a look unique to its user. The Multifunction wallet case is our most versatile case. It's made from vegan leather, and the case has a soft feel with subtle logos on the front and the back and stitching running along the edge of the case. The magnetic clasp keeps it firmly closed and pins to the back when not needed. On the back, you got deep cutouts and your camera is well protected from scratches, but it won't cause shadowing when taking pictures. The inner tray table is a flexible TPU case, making it easy to slide your phone in and out of. It also makes this case function as a fully protected phone case that covers the whole phone, including the screen, keeping it protected when the case is shut. Despite the added bulk, the wallet case is still wireless charging compatible. The inner side of the lid has 3 credit card sized slots, perfect for traveling light, and a larger pocket for banknotes. Our wallet case also opens up to become a fully adjustable functional stand, perfect for watching videos on the go. With its built-in stand, card slots, and elegant design, it offers a lot in a small package. Not to mention with the lid closed, your iPhone XS Max is getting full 360 protection. Inside every pack, we include a few accessories that we think everyone should have, like the ring stand. It makes using your phone easier by reducing the risk of you dropping it. Also, it folds out like a kickstand, perfect for watching videos on the go, and with the hook included, you can mount your phone to almost any surface. Maps and other sat-nav apps can be quite draining on your battery, and the last thing you need when you're looking for your destination is your phone running out of juice. So we've included a USB car charger to keep your phone topped up when you're out and about. And the Orzly Stylus Pen, a twin-tip pen suitable for writing on paper as well as on your tablet or smartphone. So that's the Orzly Essential Pack for the iPhone XS Max. Available now, links will be below. We've got essential packs for a range of phones, so just check out the website to find out more. If you found this helpful, like and share it, and also follow us on social media for all the latest news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.